If you want to unlink your YouTube account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to disconnect the two accounts. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Click on the sign in button in the top right corner and enter your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube channel. Step 2. Access settings. Once signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Connected Apps. In the Settings menu, look for the Connected Apps or Linked Accounts section. This is where you can manage the accounts linked to your YouTube profile. Step 4. Find Facebook. In the list of connected apps, locate Facebook. Click on it to view the options available for managing the connection between YouTube and Facebook. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Select the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from YouTube. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure the accounts are no longer connected. By following these steps, you will successfully unlink your YouTube account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to support.